Okay, our topic is the vertex form of a quadratic function. So, first, we have here the standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c. Then we're going to transform into the vertex form, which is a times the quantity x minus h squared plus k. Okay, so this is an example of quadratic function in standard form. Let us try to transform in this. So first we have to do is we have to move the last term. So here, let us move here to the right. So let's have a space here. Then we will now complete the square. Okay, so if we add something here, we should subtract something the way we add it here. Now, since this is a completing the square, let's get the half of this. Since the half of 6 is 3 and we're going to square it, the answer is 9. So if we add 9, we will now subtract 9, so as if we add nothing. Now, after completing the square, let us now try to factor this out. This is an example of perfect square trinomial. So we have the quantity x plus 3 squared. Then let's perform the operation. We have positive 8 minus 9, that is negative 1. So we have here already the value of a, which is 1 here. It's automatic. Then we have here our h, which is equal to negative 3, the opposite sign of this, and our k here, which is negative 1. Again, we will just change the sign here on the value of h, but we will just try to copy the value of k, which is negative 1. So we have here the vertex, which is negative 3 and negative 1, where the value of a, which is positive 1. Okay, let's have another example. Let us try to solve this function. Y is equal to 2x squared plus 8x plus 1, transforming into vertex form. Okay, so first we have to do is we have to move it a little bit to the right. So we have 2x squared plus 8x, moving it here, so we have plus 1. Now, since we have noticed that 2 can be factored out, okay, so let's try to factor out 2. So pulling out 2, so we have 2x squared divided by 2, that is x squared, plus 8x divided by 2, the answer, which is 4x. Okay, so we have plus 1. Now, let us try to complete the square. So since the middle term is 4, let's get the half of this. So the half of 4 is 2, squaring it, the answer, which is 4. So we will not add 4 here, okay, and we will not subtract. But if we multiply 2 and 4, the answer is 8. So meaning we added 8. So this time we will subtract 8. Okay? So once again, 8 was subtracted because 2 times 4, the answer is 8. So as if we did not add something to it. Okay, now this is a perfect square trinomial. So let's try to factor it out. So we have x plus 2 quantity squared. Okay, let's try to solve for this one. 1 minus 8, the answer is negative 7. So we have here a number here, that is our a, which is positive 2. And here, the opposite sign of this is negative 2, so that is our h. Then our k, we will just try to copy this one, negative 7. So we have the vertex, the coordinates are negative 2 and negative 7.